Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Glam Book. So this is Vijayata Nandi and today I'm back after a very long time. I know I was busy so I couldn't shoot one. Without further ado, let's begin. So this video is basically how I create a pink look. So this is how I created this pink peach look, soft pink look. So if you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, comment and so first of all, I am taking a moisturizer from Karma Ayurveda. This is a concealer from NY Bay. When I am done with the concealer, I'll be using a compact from Maybelline New York. Now I'll be applying this compact where in the parts where I have used a concealer so that it doesn't break my concealer parts. So I am taking the eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. You can use any of the eyeshadow palette you want, but you must choose a color of the pink shade or the maroon shade. Now blend it smooth so that it doesn't have any crease line into it. Now I will do the same for my left eye. With the same procedure, I will be continuing it. Now with the help of a spoolie and a brow pencil, I will draw my brows. Now I will apply a winged eyeliner with my NY Bay eyeliner, and then I will contour my face. I have used the same eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty to contour my face. You can use any of the contouring shade you want, and after that apply a blush. Now I have taken the Moonlight shade from the same palette to highlight my face. Now I have used the ADS Matte Edition lipstick. Also, I am done with my makeup look. I hope you like it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.